it's like the weather is changing. You want to be warm, but you want to be comfortable. You just want to look put together, but you know, warm, because that is important, especially as it starts to get cold. And you're just kind of like, how do I make that happen? Welcome to my channel. It is your girl Jordan of Little Miss JB Style, your pear-shaped shorty style guru, content creator for 7 years, here to share with you how to transition your outfits from fall into winter. So I've put together 5 really chic transitional outfits for you to slay as you are working your way from fall into winter. Before we get into it though, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification. Don't miss a video from me, because you want new in, you want ways to wear it, you want to build that confidence in creating your outfits and building a wardrobe you love, and learn how to translate that confidence into other areas of your life. And that's what I do here, okay? That's what I want to do. I want to see you succeed, boo. As always, if there is something that you love and you really, really want to buy for yourself, I have links in the description below. Again, no pressure, but if there is a piece, don't worry, girl, I got you. Even if it's old, I went and shopped for something similar. I've got you covered. With that, let's go ahead and get into these chic transitional outfits. So we're starting with this outfit. This is like super casual, very, very chill. Okay, so we've got, these are Dolce Vita boots. I've had these for probably like 4 or 5 years now. They need to be replaced, but they're really, really easy. Like my go-tos, just there's a lot of like scratching and then, you know, stuff like that that's missing. But then we have the black wide leg pants. These are from H&M. I love these. They're super comfortable. They do have stretch, which is amazing, and they're high-waisted, so super flattering for my pear-shaped shorties. Bringing it in with a sweater vest in zebra. So zebra is going to be having a huge moment this winter. Do not miss out. And I love animal print. And I love animal print. You guys know that. So like this should be no surprise. So I really, really love like the nice V cut. This was from Forever 21. Super inexpensive. Like really, really chic. Like you could just throw it on and go. Like if you want to wear something underneath it. I chose, because it's a little warmer today, not to. And then just layering it, adding some texture. We have this Lulu's vegan leather jacket, which is already peeling. I've had this for about like almost 5-6 years now. So if you look really close, you can see that there's some peeling happening right there. So that needs to be replaced also. But you know what? It's what I have right now, and I'm working with what I got. And last but not least, just this really cute. So this is that crocodile print bag you've seen. I got this from Ace. So it's just something very, very simple. Again, some texture, some pattern to elevate just like a otherwise like plain all black look. So this is like my very first kind of like casual outfit idea. So this is the next look. We have this really cropped faux fur jacket. This is from ASOS. I absolutely love it. Like instantly, just even with a pair of jeans, this just kind of sets a look off. Then I have this super comfortable knit dress, and here's what it looks like without the jacket on. So this is just what the dress looks like without the jacket. As you can see, it's like very shapeless, but it's so comfortable. Like the texture, of course, I love the leg slit, but again, like this oversized fit is what makes it so comfortable. But then the downside is if you want to show off that frame, show off your shape, this really isn't the dress by itself to do that. So as you can see without the jacket, honestly, it really doesn't like capture my shape. But then when you add the jacket, all of a sudden it's like hips, bow, ooh, baby. And then of course you have like these knee-high boots. So these are a fan favorite. These are from Zara. I got these about 3-4 years ago with the snake print. And I love this because this is like super, super warm as you're transitioning to the colder weather. The knee-high boots give you some protection while still letting you show like a little bit of leg if you want to be risque. And then you have this super comfortable dress. You can easily do whatever you need to do, and you see it's just like there's just so much room. It's so comfortable. And then again, like this faux fur coat just adds an extra layer, a nice bit of warmth, especially on the colder days. And then just a faux fur clutch just to really match. I thought that'd be kind of fun. But otherwise, like a plain bag would work too. So this is another transitional outfit idea for you. So this is the next look. It should be no surprise. I love a good monochrome outfit, and all brown is just stealing my heart. I literally have been trying to add other colors, but I just always come back to brown. So we have these heels. They are from Berkshire actually, and I got them through ASOS. They are surprisingly comfortable. Like I've worn them at like a whole night out dancing at the club, and my feet were crazy comfortable. So I would highly recommend them. So I got these sweatpants. These are from Nasty Gal. Honestly, these are a size 8. I wish I would have sized down to a 6 because they're a little bit like wider than I want. But to kind of make up for it, I like wear it with like cropped pieces. So we have this amazing puffer cropped coat. This is from H&M, already sold out. I am so sorry. And same with the tank top, or same with the turtleneck actually too. That is also from H&M, already sold out. But I just love this because it's like casual but still comfortable, literally like wearing sweats, but very, very chic, very, very elevated, which is what I like to do. And when I do one color head to toe, because you can see these are like almost all the same shade of brown, is to mix texture. So it's like you have the ribbed in the turtleneck, you have this kind of like puffer with the shine, and then of course like the bag has its own, you know, texture to it, because Brandon just do it like that, you know. So when you're wearing one color head to toe, especially like in the same shade, your best bet is to mix it up with textures to keep it from looking boring. So yeah, this is another like, you know, casual transitional outfit. I'm really curious, where do you live? I want to know, like, what is the transitional weather for you? Like, living in Michigan, easily it goes from like 85 sunny instantly down to like 30, and then before you know it, like sub-zero temperatures. So you really have to be ready for everything. You have to be ready, like maybe it to be like a little bit warmer in the afternoon, but like freezing cold in the morning, and just some days it's freezing all day. So when we are transitioning, like rain, snow, anything can happen, so you have to be prepared. But I want to know, where are you from and how does the weather transition where you're at? Let me know in the comments below. Another really great transitional outfit is like a sweater dress. You guys know, like, I have a whole video. I love a good rib knit dress. So as we're transitioning this like to the colder weather, obviously like knee-high boots, because again, like, it's a really great way you can add an extra layer of warmth. I actually like to wear like super tall socks underneath these to be nice and warm. These are from Nasty Gal. Honestly, they're just okay. Like, they get the job done, but the heel's not super like sturdy. I feel like these will need to be replaced in like a year or two, but they give the look. And then the dress itself is from River Island. I absolutely love it. I wore it for Christmas last year. So comfy, and like even underneath this, snatchy, snatch, okay? Then we have this belt, right? Like, so this is a knockoff of the low belt because I wasn't sure if I was ready to spend that money, but now I'm like, well, I have to spend that money because we see how this just like slenderizes and really just, it just adds that oomph, right? And then of course like a black bag to match, and it just, right, like grabbing some drinks, meeting up with the girls, even running some errands, right? Super chic, super comfortable. And then if it gets cold, the unofficial queen of monochrome. So I have this darker, like, it's a forest green. This coat is from H&M. I've had this for about 3 years. And of course, like, I feel like this outfit combination always comes out around like Christmas. You have like the green on green. It's such an easy color, and I feel like green is just like a little easier to find pieces that you like and work with your skin tone versus red. And it's just equally as chic as like black. So this would be just like another really easy transitional outfit. So this is the next look, and I'm actually trialing this out with you guys. Usually what I will do is if there's an outfit that I kind of like and have in mind, I'll put it on and I'll like take it to the coffee shop, kind of see what like my baristas and stuff say. But I figured I'd do that with you guys. So this is kind of like an unexpected, I feel like, transitional outfit. We have this sweatshirt, which is actually part of a set that I got from Nasty Gal. It's a little bit of an eggshell color, but it really goes. And then we have these pants, amazing white wide leg from Mango. The heels are from Forever 21. I've had these for a couple of years. And then of course like the ruched purse. I get a lot of compliments on my ruched bags. These are usually from ASOS. And so what I love about this is, again, it's like, it's super comfortable. I feel like I'm just getting away with a lot. Like, we have the sweatshirt, but then the bunching at the bottom really helps to create like an hourglass shape, really like snatch that waist, be like ba-bam, ba-boom, you know. But then you have the wide leg pants, which really gives like the drama, right? Like a good wide leg pant, like with the walk, you know, you get all that flowing and that movement. So I feel like it's kind of fun because it's like a little bit structured on top, but then very breezy on bottom, right? And then like if it's really cold, I would honestly just throw on like this really fun Borg jacket. This adds even more texture, and I get another layer of color, so you can tell it's like not all matchy, but it's still very close, very chic. Like, this is very, I don't know, I'm really feeling it. I really want to know what your thoughts are, because again, like, haven't really worn this out the house yet, but in my mind, like, this is a really fun look to transition, especially for fall, or especially for like fall into winter, because it's just unexpected. So many people want to choose black and dark colors, so I feel like just like the beige and the cream and the white will be just like something fun, different, and of course like super elegant, super chic, you know. That is it. Those are my 5 chic transitional outfits. I have so many more. If you want to see more, make sure that you are following me on Instagram, and of course also on TikTok. I share a lot more outfit inspiration there as well. If you were vibing with me and you found this video helpful, be sure not only to hit the like button, but subscribe as well. Do not miss a video from me, because you want to elevate and I want to help you elevate, because girl, you deserve it. Honestly, everything that you want for yourself, you deserve. You deserve to feel like luxury, look like luxury, feel like money, boo. You deserve all of that, and I really hope that I'm helping you feel that way. With that, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I absolutely appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye.